Soy grilled steak. Ingredients: 1/4 cup soy sauce, 1 teaspoon peeled and minced ginger, 1/2 teaspoon peeled and minced garlic, 1 tablespoon honey, molasses, or hoisin sauce, freshly ground black pepper to taste, juice of 1/2 lime, 1 16 to 24 ounce boneless steak, rib eye, skirt or strip, or 1 24 to 32 ounce bone-in steak, rib eye or T-bone. Directions: start a charcoal or wood fire or heat a gas grill. The fire should be hot and the rack no more than 4 inches from the heat source. Mix together the first 6 ingredients, taste and add more of anything you like. Turn the steak in the sauce once or twice, then let sit in the sauce until the grill is hot. Turn the steak one more time, then place on the grill, spoon any remaining sauce over it. For rare meat, grill about 3 minutes aside for steaks less than an inch thick. For larger or more done steak, increase the time slightly.